Now, working with loan accounts is a lot like working with annuities. The difference is that you owe the money instead of investing it, and the interest is taken out of your account or debited from the account instead of being credited to the account. So every time interest is charged, it means that you now owe a little bit more. Then you make a repayment, you owe a little bit less, and then interest is charged, you owe a little bit more, and it bounces up and down like that. Now, as with annuities, in this course, what you need to do is actually build your formula for AN, or the amount that's owing at any one time. And that's the skill that we're testing. The syllabus is looking for your ability to build this. And so most of the questions will say, show that, and then come up with a formula for AN. And you need to be able to use it, sure, but you need to be able to create it yourself. And you need to be really careful to refer to the question about the timing of the repayments and the timing of the interest. So generally, interest will be charged on the amount that's owing at the end of a time period, and then you make the repayment. But if you're unclear about how it works, just remember that the bank is always going to do it so that they end up ahead. So if you owe them money for a certain time period, at the end of that time period, they'll say, right, now you owe us more, we're going to charge you some interest. After that, they let you make the repayment and they take it off. They wouldn't want you to make the repayment first, because then they'd be charging you interest on less. They want to charge you interest on the maximum amount, then the repayment happens. So as you're telling your story and making your formula, keep that in mind. Also make sure that your interest rates are converted to monthly or weekly or whatever. So often you'll be given a per annum rate, and if you know that interest is charged weekly or monthly, you'll need to divide by 52 or 12 appropriately to turn it into the relevant units.